Hi, welcome back. It's Julie of Julie Laughton Design Build. We're here at my favorite project in Anaheim Hills, which is the home of legendary Imagineer Tony Baxter of Disney. The home was built 20 years ago by Tony with lots of historical detail, and all the designs were done by Tony and most of the work done by Tony. So what we're doing this year is adding on 2 rooms to the rear with lots of the same details, and when it's done, it's going to look like it's been here forever. Today we're in the theater where the entire project actually started. We have a theater behind me, which you can't tell it's a theater right now, but there's 2 screens up here that pull down, one for a smaller film and the other one is a larger cinematography film, wider screen with lots of fun functions. And the entire project started with a model that Tony built. So here's a scaled model, which is actually to scale for what's behind me. The first screen that was already here, as you can see, is hidden behind the columns craftily, and it's coming down now. And this screen allows for normal movies to be done, but what we did is put in the second screen, which is much wider and it allows for multiple size movies and documentaries to be shown on the new projector we have put in here. But this screen involved structural engineering and getting both screens up in there, new wiring and all that good stuff. So it was quite a feat, along with changing some of the items here, which you'll see in the before pictures at a later time. Now we're in the upstairs guest bedroom. It used to just be a bedroom with a bed and a dresser in it, and we added on just this 5 feet, but in this 5 feet we're going to have some custom cabinetry, which you'll see later, and hidden up here is another movie screen. But the biggest feature was all the custom woodwork and the T&G ceiling, and of course our showcase pieces of custom design stained glass windows designed by Tony himself. Just the simplest but the most vintage historical look you could get. And then again the oak windows, all the pine T&G, and all the dug fir beams were not only hand scraped but they're sandblasted, so the vintage look is automatic. And then we're going to do a triple layer staining process to give it the final vintage look. So I can't wait to show you the finished product. Now we're in the master bedroom closet. This room was half the size before, like the other room. It was basically a little less than half the size, and we added all this on. We're kind of over the roof outside, you'll see in some later shots. But anyway, the point is all the woodwork and every detail in here and every template we cut was hand drawn by Tony, and he'll be in another video later showing us the drawings when it's finished. But every detail, including the stonework, which was done by the client Tony himself, all done for the historical feel. And we're basically 50% the way through, and what we're going to do now is stain everything, and then of course put the flooring in and put the furniture in, and that's when I'll see you back next time. The most fabulous part of the room is the octagon shaped turret designed by Tony. When you see the outside, it's even more fabulous, but inside, the focal point of the room is the peak ceiling, which takes you right to the octagon shape, and all the woodwork in the ceiling, the T&G, all sandblasted again, and all the intricate woodwork details all drawn by Tony. Every detail hand done by our craftsmen, and again sandblasted, to create this fabulous detailed focal point of this room. And just this alone is probably the feature of the entire remodel. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and remember to go to my website julielaughton.com, and remember, it all starts with a good plan.